Hello everyone, welcome back to Basic Chemistry with Deepa Dangan. So today's topic is IUPAC nomenclature of branch chain saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so I have listed few rules for this nomenclature. We'll go through that quickly and then we'll have the actual examples. So guys, see, step 1 is select the longest carbon chain in the structure of the given compound. So now you know branch chain means it contains so many carbon atoms connected to each other. So we are going to select first longest carbon chain. Second step is the alkyl groups present as side chains are considered as substituents. Okay, so when we select longest chain, the remaining groups which are attached to that chain with their alkyl groups and they are considered as substituent, and we will name these groups separately. And third rule is the carbon atom in longest chain are numbered, and numbering system will be in such a way that alkyl group which are attached to that branch chain get the lowest possible number. Okay, so these are few steps, basic steps we will follow while naming the any chemical compound, right? So just look at these three. We'll quickly start with the example. Okay, so I'll rub this. Okay, yeah, so we'll take one example. I'm taking butane. Okay, so you know formula for butane is C4H10, right? We all know that it is a chain compound having 4 carbon atoms and connected to each other, right? So I'm drawing its general structural formula for butane in this example. Now this butane having 4 carbon atom, in IUPAC system this butane is called as N-butane or natural butane. Okay, so naturally this compound exists in this form. So hence this single chain compound of butane is called as N-butane. So this N stands for natural. So butane is common name for this structure, for this formula, and N-butane is IUPAC name for the butane. Okay, so N stands for natural. Now we'll see another structure for this same formula. Okay, now I am keeping this formula same, C4H10, and we'll see how the structure can be. Suppose you have got this structure. Okay, this type of branching of carbon and giving hydrogen to this CH, CH3, CH3. Right, now this is also C4H10, right? So how to name this according to IUPAC we'll see. So what was our first step? Select longest chain. Okay guys, so in this structure we will select first longest carbon chain. So it can be, chain can be this, okay, longest, containing 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom. Guys, here I want to tell you that you can select chain in this way. Okay, this also can be a longest chain containing 3 carbon atom. So either this or this longest chain we can select in this example. So I am selecting the first possibility. Okay, the one and same, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. So I am selecting this chain 1, 2, 3. This chain as a longest carbon chain. Okay. Now second step was substituent, right? It is about substituent, means this branch which is present in the formula in the structure is considered as substituent. So here if this is our longest carbon chain, CH3 is considered as substituent. I'm writing this, CH3 is considered as a substituent, alkyl group. Okay, now next we'll number this carbon. Now I can number from this side 1, 2 and 3. I'm numbering this carbon atom. Guys, see, we have to make sure that substituent carbon to which this substituent is attached, means this carbon. See, this substituent is attached to second number carbon, right? So this carbon should get lowest number. So if you number from this side, this carbon get number 2. If you number from this side, then also this carbon get number 2. So we can give numbering either this side from or that side, right? So I'll give numbering from this side 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now this is your longest chain and this CH3 is your substituent. It is a methyl group. Now how we'll see, like, now to label this substituent, I'll put the position of this substituent. This position is 2. To which carbon this substituent is attached? This substituent, second carbon. So I will write 2 methyl. Okay. If you remember how methyl comes, if you remember the video I shared, in that I explained how alkyl groups are formed, right? So this is methyl group. So this 2 represent position of this methyl, the number of carbon to which this methyl is attached. So 2 methyl, and this is your parent chain, longest chain you have selected. So 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. So this is your propane. Okay, and this is your IUPAC name for this compound, 2-methyl propane. In next video we'll take another example. Just try this at home. Thank you so much.